I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'm going to show you the Earthquake Topple-Proof Mug. Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, and amateur drinker. Now, if you're like me, you are occasionally a little clumsy. You bump into tables, people, or people bump into you or your table, and if you are having a drink, either hot or cold, your mug may fall over, causing a mess. Well, I have a great way for you to solve that problem. It's this Earthquake Topple-Proof Mug. You're probably asking yourself, that thing looks like you can easily knock it over. Well, not so much. Let me show you. It's stuck to the table. You're probably asking yourself a secondary question of, well, he just easily glued that to the table. You're incorrect, sir. You see, the Earthquake Topple-Proof Mug has a really ingenious technology behind it. You see, at the bottom, there's a special suction cup, okay? You set it down, and it will stick to your table. You won't be able to knock this down. However, simply lift it up, and it easily lifts off of any surface. It holds about 16 ounces of either hot or cold liquid. It'll keep it cold or hot too. Alright, the top screws on for a very secure fitting. And it's a really great mug, especially if you find yourself spilling things on a regular basis. Get it today! I think you'll like it. And I think you'll find it very tough to knock over. I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later. Ha! Ninja strike! Ah! Ah! Oh! Woo! Cannot knock that over.